Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. Today we're working on our altered book cover. So this is what I've come up with, and I decided to go a little bit of a bohemian and nature theme with this and putting the two different colors. So since with bohemian there is no right or wrong, then this is what I decided to go with, just to make it fun and colorful and different. So I've already sewn the two ends together, and then I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around. I've already ironed the fabric over, so that makes that much easier for me. And I'm going to let you see me sew this whole thing together, and then we will take it over to the book and get it assembled. So we're going to start off right here. And I'm using my Brother Project Runway sewing machine, and I'm using a straight stitch. Just want to make sure you're seeing everything. It looks pretty good from my angle. Two sides done, and now we're working on the third side. And for some reason, let me come back up here. It's wanting to gather, so let me stretch this out. You got to be careful with some of this. All right. Decided I'm going to go ahead and do this in one long section at a time so that it doesn't have an opportunity to try to gather and pucker up on me again. for some reason it's wanting to pucker, so when I get down here to the end, I'm not going to do a locking stitch. I'll take it out and then straighten it. Okay, all right, so all the stitches are looking good. Okay, now let's go over and put it on our book and let's see what we've got. All right, so now here's the cover. And I'm going to take off and trim off all these little extra threads. Get that done out of the way right now. Okay. Here's our book. And open it up, find the center. And we have plenty of room at the top and the bottom. And we find how we want to fold this and how we want it to look. So I want to bring it in so a little bit is showing on each end. Okay, so right about there, that looks good. Hold it right here. A little bit fiddly, but we'll get it. Pin this. And then I'll take it back to the machine and I'm going to sew it here and I'm going to sew it here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. So let me get another pen. You have to keep measuring it back and forth before you actually go over and sew. You want to make sure that what you're about to do is exactly what you want it to be, how you want it to turn out. Okay, so I've got enough of a room here, enough of a room there. Okay. So again, we're just going to sew it here and here and here and here. So I will do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. The cover is on. It was a very snug, tight fit, but that's beautiful. That's what I want. So now there's a pocket here, so you can put something in that. And then there's a pocket here. And so really there would be no need to take the cover off unless it got dirty somehow. Or if you want to embellish it further, then yes, certainly go ahead and take it off. And then you can, you know, put your own little embellishments on here if you were going to sew more embellishments on it. But if you're just going to glue things on, then there would be no reason to take it off. And you can cover the spine and, you know, do whatever you want, or you can just leave it as is. But this will be available in my Etsy shop. And I hope that somebody will come along and purchase it and give it a new loving forever home and have a wonderful time embellishing it, decorating it, making it yours, and then truly, you know, just putting your own touches on it and embellish these folded pages further. Just do whatever you want to do. You can cover this part up as well. Just, you know, have fun decorating it. But that was a quick and easy way to just make a fabric cover that is able to come on and off, but already has the pockets because of the style that we make to put it on here with. Thank you for being here with me today. So now we know in tomorrow's video, we're going to be talking about our calligraphy practice and our Etsy shop update, some new items that are going to go into the shop I'll share with you. Now, let me talk about the subscriber giveaway challenge and how that's going to work. So instead of me, you know, usually, I mean, every giveaway is different. There's requirements for every giveaway. So no matter what giveaway you enter, some people just say, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, you know, so there's a variety of ways. So this is what I'm going to ask you to do. So yes, obviously subscribe. You have to have a public account in order to make sure your account is public. You go into your privacy settings and you just change it to public. That way I can verify your entry if you want to enter into the giveaways. And subscribe, join my newsletter. That is going to, link is in the description below. All of this information will be in the description box below. And then I'm asking you to help the community to grow and invite your friends that you know would love to learn from me, enjoy my way of teaching, my humor, all the kinds of things that I do here on the channel. And if you can refer at least 5 people in a month, 30-day time, and they have to be able to, you have to tell me, comment below, tag that person, and put the @ symbol, that's over the number 2, put the @ symbol and then their name, and then that way they know they've been tagged, and then when they subscribe, I will be able to see them, and then they have to say in the comments as well that so-and-so referred me. And that way I know who you sent, who you referred, and then I know that they did actually subscribe. So that is now going to be my new requirements to be entered into my giveaways. And then that way it's helping the community to grow, because we're a community here. So I really appreciate it, and I know that you guys appreciate everything that I do. So thank you so much for always showing me your support in so many ways. And I hope that I will see you in tomorrow's video. So leave me a comment below. Let me know who you're inviting and that you're going to subscribe to the channel and to the newsletter to be able to be an entry. And then once we hit 600 subscribers, then I will be doing the next giveaway. So every 100 subscriber increment, and if you refer 5 people and are a newsletter subscriber and my channel subscriber, then that is how you will actually be able to be put into the giveaways. So thank you so much for being here. Keep creating in the sunshine. Stay safe. Bye-bye.